Hello friends, welcome again to my channel. In today's video I'm going to unbox Apple Watch Series 5, which I'd ordered recently. So this is how the box looks like in white text. Apple Watch is written on it. Yeah, as you can see. Now basically this is space gray aluminum case, 44 mm, and the band is anchor gray sport loop. So I'll just start basically. Yeah, yeah. Now, yeah, so this is how it gets unboxed. I'll just keep it aside. So this is basically a watch, and this is the band which I had ordered. Now I'll just open the watch. So here is the symbol actually, so I'll just remove it and I'll open it. So this is my watch actually, wrapped in pouch, you can say. This has little bit of instructions, so I'll just keep it aside as of now. This is the charger cable basically. So, and this is 5 watt normal charger. Again I'll keep it aside. I'll just take the watch. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. I'll just switch it on. Yeah, so this is how it's getting switched on. Meanwhile I'll just open the band as well. So to open the band, this is where we need to remove it. Yeah, yeah. So this is the band basically, and it is, yeah, it was wrapped like this. So this is how it is. We'll see it later. So now my watch is on. I have iPhone 7 Plus. Now I'll try to connect it with that. So as you can see that as soon as I brought my watch nearby it, I can see this symbol. So I'll just click on continue. Now I'll have to basically scan it. Yeah, so you can see it has detected this. Now set up Apple Watch. Yeah, so it is asking on which wrist do you wear Apple Watch. I usually wear it on left, so I'll click on left. Yeah, so as you can see the message, it says connecting your Apple Watch. This may take a moment, so I'm just waiting for this to get completed. Yeah, so it is asking for terms and condition. I'm selecting agree, and now it is signing into my account. Again it says it might take few minutes. I'm just waiting. Yeah, so I'll just enable location services. I'll just enable route tracking, share with Apple. I've enabled that as well. Now I'm clicking on OK. It is asking for passcode. That is done. Now it is asking for activity. I am just skipping this step. I'll select install updates manually as of now. It asks for emergency SOS. I'll click on continue. Clock faces, again it will be continue. So available apps, I'm selecting choose later as I want to do it later. Now here you can see that it is being set up basically. So you can see the progress bar over here. Now this will take a while, so I'll just leave it as is, and I'll just wait for this to get over. Yeah, so as you can see that your watch is ready. Press the digital crown to start. So I'll just press this, press tap to select, swipe, scroll, move, press firmly for more option. I just select done. Yeah, so my watch is basically ready to start, as you can see. So one really good thing I liked about Series 5 is it's always on display. Now what I'll do is I'll take this wristband and I'll just connect it. Yeah, so I'll just put this band actually. So what you need to do is you just need to push it in, and you can hear the click sound. Click sound means you're done. And then same thing for the other side as well. Yeah, so my Apple Watch is ready to be used. Yeah, so I'll just show you around this band. Actually this is very comfortable, little bit of elastic is there, and it stays very near to your skin. And I mean it is I mean you don't basically feel that you have wrapped anything on your wrist actually. So that's all in this video, friends. I'm just waiting for my iPhone 11 Pro Max. So once that comes, actually I'll pair my watch with that, and by that time I think it'll be like 1 or 2 weeks, and then basically I'll do one more video on my experiences using Apple Watch 5. Yeah, so that's all in this video. Thanks friend, thank you for watching this video. Yeah, thank you.